Hello, I'm Swati. In this video, we are going to see the 10 basic words that you must know if you're trying to learn Hindi language. The first word is Namaste. Namaste. Namaste is said whenever you want to greet someone. For example, if you want to say someone hello, hi, bye, or goodbye, then in that case you say Namaste. 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 Pronounce it again. Namaste. Namaste. Usually people fold their hands like shown in bottom right corner of the screen, but it's a choice, not a compulsion. So you can just casually say Namaste, or you can fold your hands while saying Namaste. It's your choice. Second word. If you are welcoming someone at your place, then you can say आपका स्वागत है. 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 Third word. If you want to say I in Hindi, you will say मैं. 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 If you want to say mine in Hindi, you will say मेरा. मेरा. Fourth word. If you want to say you in Hindi, then you should say आप or तुम. You can use either of the words. You can say आप or तुम. आप is used when you are speaking to someone formally or someone who is older than you. In a situation when you have to show your respect or you have to be more formal, in that case, use आप. But if you are speaking to someone who is same age as you, or to someone who is younger than you or your friends, then you can use तुम. But to be more respectful, or in case you're not sure which one to use, then you can say आप. Fifth word. In English, when you have to agree with someone or something, you say yes. And in Hindi, you will say हाँ. Listen again. हाँ. हाँ. Sixth word. If you want to disagree with someone or something, in English you say no. And in Hindi, you will say nahi. 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 Seventh word. In English, if you want to apologize to someone, you say sorry. And in Hindi, if you want to apologize to someone, you can either say क्षमा करें, क्षमा करें, or you can say माफ कर दीजिए. माफ कर दीजिए. Listen again. क्षमा करें. क्षमा करें. क्षमा करें also means sorry. And if you want to say माफ कर दीजिए. माफ कर दीजिए. माफ कर दीजिए. So there are two ways to say sorry in Hindi. First, you can either say क्षमा करें, क्षमा करें, or you can say the second word, which is माफ कर दीजिए, माफ कर दीजिए, माफ कर दीजिए. Eighth word. If you want to say no problem in Hindi, you can say कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Ninth word. If you want to thank someone in Hindi, you can say shukriya, 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 or you can say धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. You can use either of the two words. I would recommend say dhanyavad. It's more used, but it doesn't really matter. You can use either of the one to say thank you in Hindi. Listen again. Shukriya, shukriya, or dhanyavad, dhanyavad. 10th word. To say okay in Hindi, you can say ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Now, let's have a quick revision. Pause this video for a while and try to recollect what you have learned so far. And then I'll show you the answers. So these are the answers. For hello, you say namaste. For hello, you say namaste. For welcome, you say आपका स्वागत है, आपका स्वागत है. To say I in Hindi, you say मैं. To say you in Hindi, you say आप or तुम. You can use either of the one. To say yes in Hindi, you say हाँ, हाँ. To say no in Hindi, you can say nahi. To say sorry in Hindi, you say माफ कर दीजिए or क्षमा करें. You can use either of the two words. माफ कर दीजिए, माफ कर दीजिए. To say no problem in Hindi, you can say कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. To say thank you in Hindi, you can say shukriya, shukriya, shukriya. To say okay in Hindi, you can say ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, if this video helped you, please do give it a like, a thumbs up, share it with your friends or to anyone who might require this type of video. And if you want to stay tuned with more videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, any feedbacks, any suggestions that you want to give or share, write down in the comment section below. I would love to hear to them. Thank you. Thanks for watching.